We all know this simple weekly injection forces your body to drop stubborn weight. But patients suddenly notice their intense cravings for alcohol and gambling completely disappearing too. To understand why this happens, we must follow the medication deep inside the bloodstream. The golden molecules travel quickly through your veins toward a major superhighway of nerves. They hijack the powerful vagus nerve, climbing straight upward to directly access the brain. Slipping effortlessly through the protective barrier, they enter a very dark and chaotic environment. This is your reward center, an area constantly sparking with aggressive hunger for dopamine. Addictive habits flood this gap with massive dopamine spikes, creating extreme and unnatural desires. But the medication quickly intercepts the process by perfectly docking into these hidden receptors. Almost instantly, the violent electrical storm begins to calm down into peaceful biological silence. A smooth wave of cooling energy quickly washes away those desperate and chaotic urges. The aggressive and stressful pulses inside your mind finally slow down into rhythmic peace. Desires for drinking or gambling suddenly begin to lose their powerful grip over you. Meanwhile, your stomach sends a constant and powerful signal of fullness toward your brain. This creates a highly stable protective shield against any sudden or unexpected chemical cravings. But addiction is relentless, and a massive spike of tension tries to break through. The medication instantly acts like a brilliant shield to flawlessly deflect the aggressive strike. The powerful craving shatters into completely harmless sparks without triggering any dopamine reward response. Those deeply ingrained artificial triggers dissolve entirely, leaving behind a clean and quiet mind. Your entire brain enters a beautiful state of balance, completely free from addictive noise. Damaged neural pathways slowly begin to heal and smooth out from years of abuse. Old toxic habits literally crumble away into nothing as the mind resets its foundation. The front of your brain finally regains complete control over your deepest impulsive behaviors. Fresh, healthy connections rapidly grow to replace the destructive patterns that once ruled you. This creates a perfect biological harmony where chemical addictions can no longer survive easily. You wake up feeling profoundly calm and completely detached from those old artificial desires. Tempting triggers that used to control your life simply register as completely uninteresting objects. A quiet sense of genuine freedom washes over you as the invisible chains break. You effortlessly walk away from the darkness and step into a much brighter reality. Your body has successfully rewired itself to embrace a beautiful new chapter of health.